It's our 20th anniversary, September 11th, 2001. Ironically, the day the Twin Towers went down was our first day of business. We've had great growth. We've added new businesses, Northern Academy Transportation Training. We've added the Nat Safety business. We've added Nat Safety Ottawa. We've added TH Ottawa. We bought a CERT Fire and Spills. And we've enjoyed some really good growth, and stay tuned, there's more to come. It's been a great run, great run, surrounded by great people.
In the beginning years, TPS was driven by the trucking industry for sure, and our first main contract was with Driver Supply. And then it grew over time with additions of people. I came from the trucking world and I learned the industrial world, so I was very fortunate to work with a lot of good people over the years. At the industrial safety side, we hired a salesperson, sales and a recruiter, both industrial background. So that's when our rescue business started, and that was our first initial mock rescues we did back in 2009. That was our start, and then we got awarded our first contract to work out of shutdown, and then from there it's blossomed. It's just grown and grown from there, and the rest is just history, I guess you might say. Very proud of what we built so far. I can't thank enough the employees, like Kevin said today, the employees we have today and the previous employees. And we can't thank enough our families that have supported us, because it was a lot of long days, and the support of our customers. Great customers, really good people. We've grown with them, they've grown with us.